A parasitic virus is a virus which spreads by attaching itself or another.
Wrong. Okay, अझै पनि meaning आएन है. So let's see है. Okay, Banisa, your turn. You can unmute yourself.
Parasitic virus is a virus that depends upon others.
Okay, I'm asking you, होइन, parasite भने चाहिँ के हो रे? Can you tell me, Banisa? Parasite means what?
The organisms which depends upon others.
हो, जस्ट parasite भनेको चाहिँ यस्तो खालको organism हो, आफै बाँच्न सक्दैन. कसरी बाँच्छ त? अरूको ब्लड चुसेर हुन्छ के गरे अर्काको बडीमा मात्रै बाँच्न सक्ने.
Sir, we are not listening you.
Parasite virus भनिन्छ है. Now,
Sir.
Yes.
We are not listening you.
Because why you are not listening? You might have an internet problem. Disconnect and connect, Sabin. Disconnect and connect again. I'll accept your request. Okay. So, Banisa, can you tell me the definition of parasitic virus?
Parasitic virus is a virus that depends upon others.
No, that parasitic virus is a type of a virus that spreads by attaching itself to a file. File में attach भएर सर्ने हैन र? Yes or no, Banisa?
Yes, sir.
Ani? So, okay. Hey, so, कसले समरिनले wrong भन्नुभएको थियो. Samrin, can you unmute yourself? Samrin, can you unmute yourself? Okay, then I'll unmute you. Then, okay, what do you understand by parasite? Parasite भने के रहेछ त exactly?
Which depends on other animals' bodies.
Animals or host भन्छ है. Animals भन्दाखेरि अब फेरि dog.
त्यसको त आइहाल्छ नि मलाई parasitic virus को आउँदैन नि त.
Okay, you tell me the what is parasitic virus? Hands up like this, like a cat. Samrin, you might be turning pages ni ta ani feri copy ko. So hands like this. You copy here, ta. I'm not there. So, what is it now? Banisa just told the definition. Just tell me again. Tell me, Samrin, your turn. She did not study, eh? You know what was the punishment?
Wait, I don't know that. I know others.
Yeah. Others, you know?
Yeah.
Okay. So, Samrin, can you tell me what is multipartite virus?
Multipartite virus is a type of virus that infects both application programs and boot sector of a ticks.
Okay, very good. What means multi? Multi भनेको के हो रे?
Multi भन्दा धेरै.
अनि partite भनेको कस्तो रे?
Partite भनेको
कुन वर्डबाट डिराइभ भएको हो partite?
Partite.
Again gone, hey? Samrin, listen very carefully. Hey, Jennifer. Okay, tell me partite कुन वर्डबाट डिराइभ भएको? कुन वर्डबाट चाहिँ आएको? Partite. Multipartite virus. So partite भन्ने वर्ड चाहिँ कुनबाट डिराइभ भएर आएको? Do your hands like this. Jennifer, it's your turn. You have to do like this, like a cat. Yeah, now. You don't know? Okay. Wait, hey. That means Simana. Show yourself, Simana, on your video. Okay. Can you tell me, Simana? Partite kun word word derive bhako?
Sir, I don't know.
Partite part but हैन multipartite partलाई नै multipartite भएको न multiple part दुईटा तीनटालाई गर्ने भाइरस चाहिँ नै multipartite भाइरस भनेर पढाएको हैन
भनेको त हो नि
अनि त्यही त नि
मैले के भनेको
So Samrin, you have to remember हैन multipartite है मैले के भनेको थिए partite भन्ने वर्ड चाहिँ ओरिजिनल वर्ड चाहिँ के हो त part बाट PART part different parts हुन्छ नि हो त्यो पार्ट बाट partite भएको PARTTITE partite भएको so the original word was part है okay now whose turn है okay Sauravi. Sauravi, are you ready? Pratik, don't unmute yourself, eh? I'll tell you when to unmute, eh? Don't unmute right now, eh? Wait, la, it's turn off. Okay, Sauravi, are you ready? Show yourself. Do your hands like this. Okay, what is polymorphic virus? Sauravi, what is polymorphic?
It is a type of virus that can make. Sir, I forgot this one.
Oh, you forgot. Wait there, right?
No, I know.
Oh.
But
Hands like this. You can't turn the copies, right? So that's why your hands must be like this, huh? Like a cat. Okay, wait. You just keep your hands like this only. That's a punishment. Sauravi, just keep your hands like this only, huh? Okay, it's turn off Pratik. Pratik. What is polymorphic?
Yes, sir.
What is polymorphic virus? Hands on the.
Polymorphic. Sir, I don't know.
You don't know. Wait, eh? If you don't know 3 questions, then you have to write, I will read for test 20 times, eh? Punishment. Okay.
Oh my God.
Now, Ansila. Oh, no, Sagar is left. Sagar, like this. Just, yeah. Now tell me, what is polymorphic virus?
Polymorphic virus is a type of virus which modified and avoid from computer virus, antivirus.
I didn't understand. It modifies what?
The polymorphic virus is a type of computer virus that modify itself and then avoid from antivirus software.
I didn't understand your last word, eh? That modify itself and
avoid from antivirus.
Avoid detection. You missed the word detection. Okay, what means detection, Sagar?
To detect.
Detect भनेको के हो? नेपालीमा के भन्नुहुन्छ? Detect भनेको के हो?
Detect. Scan.
Okay, detect भनेको भेट्टाउनु है, भेट्टाउनुबाट रोक्छ. Do you understand? Okay. You have told me the definition of polymorphic, है. Poly भनेको चाहिँ के हो त? What does poly means?
Sir, I don't know.
Poly भनेको धेरै, morphic भनेको के हो? पोलिगन भनेर having many sides, जस्तै कि ट्रायंगल भन्छ हामीले हैन, रेक्ट्याङ्गल भन्थ्यो, अनि धेरै साइड हुनेलाई के भन्छ? पोलिगन्स भन्थ्यो नि त. सो पोलिगन्स नै धेरै साइड भएको, पोली भनेको धेरै. व्हाट मीन्स मर्फिक? हिजो भर्खर भनेको छु मैले. मर्फिक भनेको के हो? सो पहिला के भनेको थिएँ मैले? बोर्डलाई बुझ्नु अनि बल्ल डेफिनेसन याद गर्न सजिलो हुन्छ भनेको थिएँ. मर्फिक भन्ने वर्ड केबाट डिराइभ भयो त? मर्फिक भनेको के हो एक्ज्याक्टली? So just raise your hand for a while, hey, till the time you don't get the answer, hey. Now, Aisa, morphic भनेको के हो? Polymorphic virus भन्ने छ है. Poly भने त धेरै भयो. Morphic भनेको के हो? What is morphic? Aisa, your hands.
Morphic. Sir, I don't know.
Okay, fine. But hey, I had told you yesterday. Hey, okay, let's see. Simana, morphic. What does morphic means?
Modified.
Morphic is not modified. Hey, बुझ्नुस् है. Let me tell you again. Hey, याद गर्नुस्. It's better you write on your copies also. कसरी हो त? Poly भनेको के हो त? Many. Morphic भनेको स्ट्रक्चर. साइन्समा पनि के भन्छ? Morphic भनेको चाहिँ स्ट्रक्चर भन्छ. Having many structures. जस्तो कि मेनी स्ट्रक्चर पोलिमोर्फिक भनेकै ह्याभिङ मेनी स्ट्रक्चर हो भाइरस एउटा स्ट्रक्चरको मात्रै हुन्छ त्यसलाई डिटेक्ट गर्न सजिलो हुन्थ्यो तर पोलिमोर्फिकले के गर्छ आफूले आफूलाई चेन्ज गर्छ मोडिफाई गरेर चेन्ज गर्छ जस्तै आई गिभ यु एक्जाम्पल लाइक अब सपोज एकजना टेररिस्ट छ टेररिस्टले अब आफूलाई पुलिसहरुबाट हाइड गर्न पर्यो भने के गर्छ आफ्नो फेस चेन्ज गर्छ नि फेस के गर्छ प्लास्टिक सर्जरी गर्छ नि त नि आफ्नो फेस चेन्ज गरेन ह्याभिङ मेनी फेसेस अनि अर्को फेस चेन्ज गरेपछि पुलिसले भेट्टाउँछ त भेट्टाउँदैन नि है प्लास्टिक सर्जरी गर्यो भने पासङ सर पनि के हुन सक्छ शाहरुख खान हुन सक्छ है शाहरुख खानको फेस राख्न सक्छ यसरी या डु यु नो दोस थिङ प्लास्टिक सर्जरी सो भाइरसले पनि अब भाइरसलाई यो भाइरस चिन्छ हैन त्यो नचिनोस् भनेर भाइरसले पनि आफूले आफुलाई मोडिफाई गर्न सक्छ अर्को शेपमा ढाल्न सक्छ बुझ्नुभयो आफ्नो काम गर्ने क्यारेक्टरिस्टिक चेन्ज गर्न सक्छ त्यसलाई नै पोलिमोर्फिक भाइरस भन्छ जुन भाइरसले चाहिँ आफ्नो स्ट्रक्चरलाई चेन्ज गर्न सक्छ त्यसलाई के भनिन्छ पोलिमोर्फिक भाइरस भनिन्छ those viruses which can modify itself है modify itself to avoid भनेको detection हुन to avoid the detection from antivirus is called polymorphic virus. Okay, so Somrin, where is Somrin? Okay, Sauravi, sorry. Sauravi, do you understand? Sauravi, poly भने के रहेछ त?
I know definition.
No. I just gave all the logic. Hey, poly भने के थियो सुन्नु भयो होला नि त? What means poly?
I'll tell definition.
Definition. Okay, tell me the definition.
It is a type of virus that can modify itself and avoid detection from antivirus.
Okay, that is good हैन तर तपाईलाई लङ टर्म सम्म याद होस् भनेर चाहिँ तपाईले मिनिङ बुझ्नु पर्छ है त्यो वर्डले के भनेको त्यो बुझ्नु भयो भने तपाईलाई डेफिनेसन आफै आउँछ सो यु नीड टु रिमेम्बर पोली भनेको मेनी अनि मर्फिक भनेको स्ट्रक्चर हो त्यसरी याद गर्नुभयो भने तपाईलाई डेफिनेसन एक्ज्याक्ट याद आउँछ ओके नाउ यु क्यान कीप योर ह्यान्ड्स डाउन सौरभी नाउ इट्स आइसा बुझ्नु भयो डेफिनेसन अफ पोलिमोर्फिक Yes, Aisa, do you understand the definition of polymorphic? Yes,
definition?
I know meaning.
Okay, tell me meaning.
Poly means many. Morphic means structure.
Structure. Oh, धेरै structure हुनुलाई के भनिदो रहेछ त polymorphic भनिदो रहेछ. So, definition के हुन सक्छ त? Can you tell me polymorphic virus को? Okay, hands down. Let's see, hey, hands down, Aisa. So let's see, hey, कतिको ध्यानले सुन्नु भएको छ है. I feel like, oh, okay, our Ansela is sleeping, hey, closing her eyes. Let's ask her, hey. Okay, Aisa, hands up. Like this, like a cat. Oh, good. So you just tell me the definition of polymorphic. अहिले भर्खर साथीहरुले त्यत्रो भन्नुभयो. Just tell me. Repeat.
Polymorphic virus is a type of virus that can create modified version of itself to avoid detection from
केलाई चाहिँ भेट्टाउन नदिने केबाट भेट्टाउन नदिने ओके antivirus good so hey you have used the word antivirus so what does antivirus mean antivirus भनेको के हो पहिला मिनिङ भन्नु चाहिँ एन्टी भनेको के हो एन्टी
Sir, I didn't understood.
wait प्रतीक your turn will come what means anti 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 भनेको के थियो त्यसको मिनिङ के थियो before telling me the definition of antivirus what does anti anti means just keep your hands straight like this like a cat Ansela, just keep it. That is your punishment. Till the time you get the answer. Okay, if you know the definition, tell me. Ansela, if you know the definition, you can tell me of antivirus. Okay, see, has not read, right? Just keep your hands like that only. Okay, now, okay. Sagar, keep your hands
yes,
like
sir.
Yeah, keep your hands like this. Yes. What does anti anti means?
Opposite.
Okay, good. Opposite है के हरेक कुराको अपोजिटलाई एन्टी भन्छ है जस्तै कि हाम्रोमा के हुन्छ एउटा एन्टी फ्रेन्ड हुन्छ के जहिले पनि एन्टी फ्रेन्ड भने के भन्छ सबै ग्रुपले सर आज खेल्न जाऊँ भन्छ अनि एक दुई जना के भन्छ नाइ सर आज पढ्ने भन्दै नि त्यो तपाईको एन्टी फ्रेन्ड हो कि एन्टी भने जे भने त्यसको ठ्याक्क अपोजिट गर्ने के अब आज के हुन्छ तपाईलाई फ्री पिरियड तपाईले के भन्नुहुन्छ ओके सर आज हामी बास्केटबल खेल्ने नि फेरि तपाईको त्यो अपोजिट फ्रेन्डले चाहिँ के भन्छ न सर आज न बास्केटबल नखेल्ने हामी फुटबल खेल्ने ठ्याक्क अपोजिट भन्ने के जे कुरा नि तपाईको पार्ट दिने अनि एनदर एक्जाम्पल इज क्लकवाइजमा के हुन्छ घडी 1 2 3 4 हुँदै घुम्छ एन्टी क्लकवाइजमा के हुन्छ अपोजिट घुम्छ 12 11 10 9 हुँदै घुम्छ दैट इज एन्टी क्लकवाइज एन्टी भनेको के रहेछ त opposite. So Sagar, can you tell me the definition of antivirus?
The antivirus is the program that is used to scan and delete the virus.
Scan and detect. Okay.
Scan, detect, and delete virus.
Okay. What does detect means?
Detect means भेट्टाउनु.
Scan भने के हो?
Excuse me, sir.
Scan. You just use the word scan.
Scan.
No? Yeah. Scan means what?
Scan means. Sir, I don't know.
Scan, you doesn't know. Scan भने थाहा छैन and you use the word scan. कहिले काहीँ याद छ फिंगरप्रिन्ट स्क्यान गर्छ नि फिंगरप्रिन्टलाई स्क्यानिङ गर्न मिल्छ फेसलाई स्क्यान गर्न मिल्छ व्हाट डज स्क्यान मीन? Okay, I gave you the hints. Right? Karma, it's your turn. Keep your hands like that. Right? Scan भन्ने आएको छैन सागरलाई. Karma, okay. Okay, keep your cameras. We can't see you. We can only see your hands, Karma. So, okay, good. Karma, what means scan?
Scan.
Ansela, your hands up. Yeah, Ansela, your hands up. Ansela. Okay.
Scan means.
Hands up, Ansela.
We scan something.
Scan भनेको खोज्नु के हो रे? खोज्नु है खोज्छ अनि स्क्यान भने खोज्नु डिटेक्ट भने भेटाउँछ रिमुभ भने त्यसलाई हटाउँछ. Okay, so antivirus is a type of a program which scans, detect and remove computer virus from the computer. Okay, Karma, you can keep your hands down. Now let's see. Okay, हाम्रो एन्सिलाले के बुझ्नु भयो है एन्सिलाले अघिदेखि सुनिरहनु भएको छ है लेट्स आस्क हर है सो शी वाज द वन हु स्टार्टेड दिस है सो एन्सिला व्हाट डु यु अन्डरस्ट्यान्ड बाइ एन्टी
I know definition.
No, I was not asking for definition. I'm asking what does ANTI anti means? You don't know still. So you didn't hear us. You didn't hear
It
us?
became paused.
It became paused. That's not the reason. Hey, listen very carefully. Very punishing. Okay, now again, whose turn? Aisa. Aisa, show yourself. Okay, keep your hands up. Okay. Now, what does anti means? Anti भने के हो त? Aisa.
Opposite.
Opposite. Hey, opposite. What means? What is the definition of antivirus? Can you tell me, Aisa? ल नेपालीमै भन्नुस् न त भाइरसको ठ्याक्क भाइरसलाई केले मार्छ व्हाट किल्स भाइरस कम्प्युटरको भाइरसलाई केले किल गर्छ स्क्यान गर्छ डिटेक्ट गर्छ केले गर्छ डिटेक्ट गरेर केले रिमुभ गर्छ कम्प्युटरको भाइरसलाई सो लुक एन्टिभाइरस गुड एन्टिभाइरसले चाहिँ भाइरसलाई खोजेर भेटाएर के गर्छ रिमुभ गर्छ कम्प्युटरबाट है अनि व्हाट डज एन्टी भने के हो त
Opposite.
Opposite. अनि एन्टिभाइरस भने के त क्यान यु टेल मी नाउ डेफिनेसन भन्नुस् त Antivirus is a program that scans, detect, and remove the virus from the computer. Repeat, Aisa. Repeat.
Antivirus is a program that scans,
Yes.
detects, and removes the virus from the computer.
Good. So look, it's very easy. Eh? Now again, it's Ansela turn. Okay, you can keep your hands down, Aisa. So look, hey, Aisa is ekdam dhyanle suन्नुहुन्छ. It means she is listening very carefully. Hey, now again, hey, let's ask her. Hey, look at her. Hey, keep your hands up, Aisa. Sorry, Ansela. Ansela, like this cat, like a cat. Okay, good. Okay, so
Sir, can I also tell about antivirus?
wait. Your turn will come. Don't worry, Pratik. Your turn, your separate question will come for you. Eh? Ansela, now tell me what is the definition of antivirus?
Antivirus software is a software
Yes, it's a software
which design.
which
No, antivirus software is a software designed to detect and remove virus from computer system.
okay, computer system. What does anti भने के हो रे Ansela?
Anti
anti भने के हो रे?
opposite.
Opposite हो ठ्याक्कै उल्टो के सुल्टोको उल्टो भन्छ नि. So बुझ्नुभयो नि clockwise को anti clockwise ठ्याक्कै उल्टो हो के. Okay, now opposite लाई anti भनिन्छ. Now Pratik turn. He is waiting for his turn. Hey, now question goes to Pratik. है अनि सबैजनालाई फेरि आउँछ है. So Pratik को लागि question how do computer virus spread? Computer virus कसरी सर्छ त Pratik? Unmute yourself. Okay. Unmute yourself. Okay.
Computer virus is spread by downloading unknown files.
Unknown files.
And
Ani? One.
And
Okay. Stop for a while. Listen to others. Keep your hands up. Keep your hands up. Hands up. Okay. Yeah, we can see you now. Okay, let's see. Hey, Jessica, can you show yourself, Jessica? Show me your video.
Yes, sir.
Show me your video. Okay, good. Hands like this. Yeah, like a cat.
Wait, sir.
How do computer virus spread? Computer virus कसरी सर्दै जान्छ, spread हुँदै जान्छ. How do
Computer virus spreads by using infected brain physical storage such as pen drives, DVD, CD. By downloading unknown files and folders from
Yes.
I know, sir. Wait. I know what was that.
If anybody knows, raise your hand. If anybody knows, raise your hand.
I know, sir. I know, I did.
Okay, Samreen.
Sir, once, I remember.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
Samreen. Your turn, eh? So, tell me how do computer virus spread?
Computer virus spread by sharing of infected storage devices like pen drive, hard disks.
Yeah, that point is already used by Jessica and Pratik. Another one?
By using pirated software.
Pirated software. Okay, wait. Pirated software. Wait. What means?
By downloading.
Samreen, what means pirated software?
चोरीको
चोरेको software. Okay. Ani arko point?
By downloading unknown files and or software.
Okay, software.
By opening virus infected links.
Okay, virus infected links. Okay.
I forgot.
Okay, fine. 3 is enough. Okay. Now, Yunil, can you show yourself? Yunil, can you show your video? Okay, let's see. Okay, Yunil, can you show your video and unmute yourself? We want to see you, Yunil. Where is Yunil? Karma is here. Where is Yunil? He is vanished. Okay, fine. So another question goes to okay, another question goes to Yunil. Yunil, can you hear me? Can you hear me, Yunil? Yes, speak. You can speak. Your mic is on. Is not mute. You can speak. Okay. So his internet might be slow. Eh? Okay, Aisa, your turn. Aisa, can you tell me what means stealth virus?
Sir?
Stealth virus भनेको के हो?
Sir, नेपालीमा भन्नु.
Okay, you can tell me the meaning of stealth. पहिला stealth को meaning भन्नुस्.
Hide गर्ने.
Hide गर्ने. Okay, hide गर्ने. And now you can tell me the definition also. So I'll start for you. Hey, stealth virus is a type of a virus that okay, you keep your hands like that only. So again, our Ansila. Ansila, show your face. We want to see you. We want to see your eyes. Are they closed or it's open? Okay, keep your hands like this, Ansila. Okay, what is stealth virus, Ansila?
Stealth.
Yeah.
Stealth virus is a type of virus that harms our computer.
That harms our computer. Okay, that hides. Right? So stealth virus is a type of a virus which hides itself from a antivirus. Yes, and harms our computer. That is stealth virus. So जुन चाहिँ लुकेर harm गर्छ. Okay, you can keep your hands down, Ansila. So show your face. It looks good. When you hide yourself, it looks like you are a stealth virus, like a stealth student hiding while we are doing video chat. Okay, now. Okay, where should I go? Who I left? Okay, Jennifer. Can you tell me what is worm virus?
Worm virus.
Yeah, worm virus.
Worm virus is a type of virus that can replicate itself and
Okay, it can replicate itself and harm our computer. What means replicate, Jennifer? बुझेन? Okay, reproducing itself. है आफ्नो डुप्लिकेट क्रिएट गर्नु, आफ्नो डुप्लिकेट क्रिएट गर्नुलाई yes replicate भनिन्छ. Okay, fine. Vanisa, keep your hands up. Vanisa, keep your hands up. Okay, for Vanisa, let's see the question. Hey, which question should I give? Okay, Vanisa, ready? Okay, it's on the turn. Okay, so now Vanisa, why viruses are created? Virus किन बनाउने? किन बनाउँछ virus?
Viruses are created to harm innocent users and harm the computer.
Only 1 point.
To harm innocent users.
Yes, 1 point.
To earn money.
To earn money. Second point.
To harm computers.
To harm computer. Not enough, eh? Only 2 points. Let's see other, eh? Sabin, keep your hands up. Okay, Sabin. Sabin, can you tell me why viruses are created? First, unmute yourself.
Viruses are created by.
Why virus are created? Virus किन बनाको? Give me 3-4 points.
To
earn money.
Yes.
To harms other computer.
To harm other computer.
I think someone is helping you, right? We can hear, right?
Actually, Sabin brother is teaching him.
Robin brother is teaching him. Keep your hands like this.
No sir, no sir. Nobody is here.
We can hear.
Okay.
We can hear.
Keep your hands like this.
Sit at your bed.
Yes. Keep your hands like this, Sabin. Just keep your hands
No
like
sir, he's in next room.
Okay, keep your hands like
No,
this.
he's at your bed.
Sabin, keep your hands like this. Okay, good. Now, Karma. Okay, why viruses are created? Karma?
To innocent users.
Keep your hands up. Keep your hands up. Keep your hands up. Okay, he also doesn't know, eh? So show yourself, Karma. Camera. Okay, keep your hands like that. Okay, where is okay. Jessica. Show me your face, Jessica. I want to see you. Jessica, are you there? Okay, show yourself, Jessica. Okay, why are virus created? Virus can create गरिएको.
Viruses are created to an innocent user to earn money, to make fun.
Okay, to make fun. Yes.
For
fun. Yeah.
To destroy and steal information.
Okay, to destroy and steal information. Good.
To protect. I know, to protect. What was there?
To protect software from piracy. Oh, software like piracy but protect गर्नलाई virus create गरिन्छ, right?
To expose programming.
Oh, उसको programming weak छ भनेर पनि expose गर्नलाई पनि के गरिन्छ? Viruses are created. Good. You can keep your hands down. Ancilla, Jessica, where is our Ancilla? She again hide herself. Oh, she is in stealth mode. Look, can anyone see Ancilla? She is in stealth mode. Ancilla, show yourself. Okay, for today this much, eh? We don't have